everyone, so today's topic is how to log in PHP using hash password. In my previous video I have shown you how to hash your password using password hash, and in this video I will show you how to use that password for login with password verify. So let's get started. So in my previous video, I have shown you this sign up form with form validation and how to store your password in a hash, and I have created one entry in database. So in this video, I will work on login page. So please watch sign up tutorial as I'll be continuing after that only, and I'll be providing the link for sign up in description. So please go and check that out. So now let's get started with today's video. So let me show you controller. In home there is index function for login, sign up for sign up page, and sign up db is for storing your data into database. So I'll be going for login view page, and in this I'll be submitting this form, and I have email and password as two input fields. So write form method post and pass action, let's say echo base url home/login db, and create this same function in controller. After this I'll be applying some form validation, so just copy same form validation as sign up and paste in login, and check if form validation if and else condition. So let me just explain that. Firstly, load library form validation. Then I'm going to check email, that email is required as, and check valid email. Second is password, so check password is required and minimum length 6. So after that run form validation, and if false then again load the view page for login. After form validation I'm going to display form error into my login page. So write php echo form error, and its email. First one is input field, then second is pass. Now form validation error part is done, but if there is no error then I'm going to get like select check employee is present or not with its email. So write this employee model select employee and pass employee, let's say email in that. So firstly get this input field, so write input post and get email in a variable and pass that in select employee. So now let's go and create same function in employee model. So write public function select employee and pass argument id. After that write this select star. Second is this, okay, I forgot db in between, so this db write where, and here I'm passing employee id, let's say id. After that write this db from employee table. After that write query variable equals to this db get and return query, let's say result. Let me just, okay, I just need to check email not id. So after this in controller take employee data in a variable and check one if condition if count is greater than 0. Inside if condition take employee password in a variable, write emp data at 0 index I'll be getting, write emp password, and check one if condition password verify. First one is password and second is hash. So password first one is going, I'm going to send that I get from my phone, that is emp password, and hash I'm going to pass, that is employee password, because hash is stored in database. So if password is correct then you can redirect to your dashboard and set session here. So I'm just going to write redirect home/dashboard. Okay, so before that let me just pass password and hash. So write emp password in place of password and employee password in place of hash. So after that in else condition I'm going to set flash data. So just copy from above and paste here. So I'm just going to pass message. So it's like your password is not correct, so password is incorrect, and redirect that to home. So I need to check one more else after. If employee data is not found, then again set flash data and pass that user email is not valid and redirect that to home page. So now I guess that's it. So I need to create this dashboard. I have not created this dashboard function. So write public function dashboard, and I'm just going to like print, let's say, welcome to dashboard. You can redirect to your own dashboard page. So that's the code you need to write. Password verify. First one is password and second is hash. So now let's go and check in browser. So refresh. So now write some email, let's say random email sd@gmail.com, and so type some random password. Let's say just write 3-letter password. We will be checking validation. So validation is working fine, it's giving error. After that, write, let's say, sd@gmail.com and pass the validation, write 6-letter password. And now you can say user email is not valid as I have just one xyz@gmail.com in my database. So now write correct email and wrong password I'm typing. Now login. So now you can see password is incorrect. It's displaying. Now write correct email and correct password. Now login. So it's redirecting to welcome to dashboard. So that's how you can verify your password that is hashed. And one thing you have seen that when I submit my form, that data is like lost. So you can use set value for that. I have not shown in this video. So I hope you really like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.